Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will see transformations using copy commands while loading the data. So, what are the transformations we can do in copy command while loading the data? In this video, we can see. So, basically, copy command, we want to load the data from stage to our table, right? So, basically, we can use the dollar one, like dollar two, which means it will indicates the dollar one means first column, dollar two means second column, dollar three means fourth column. So we can simply use these dollar functions to want to load the only desired columns. So and I have given the s as aliasing. So s dot one it is for a good practice whenever we loaded the data. So all the remaining same file format type CSV field delimiter etc. So let's get into our first example. Yeah. So let me create this table first. So a table was created of order ID, amount, profit, and profitable column. So let me do a star. So what is this column? What do I want? So in my data, so the client wants to load only want to segregate the minus columns and the positive columns. Like he want the minus and positive columns as different, like profit and minus ones are non-profitable. So how can we transform in the step of copy commands? So this is the command for. So we will load the all the three first, dollar one, dollar two, dollar three, and for the fourth column we will use a case when statements. So in this we can see for the fourth column we are using the when case when casting the column into integer, which is always less than which is always a integer because we need to here we need to convert them because we have given integer here. So before loading into this column we need to convert them as integer. So we making them as integer, and if the column is less than 0, if minus value is less than 0, then it is get into under non-profitable, else it will profitable. So therefore we can end the statement. So all the remaining steps are same. Yeah, let me load this. If you see the data, you can get understand easily. So loaded 1500. So let me do a select star on that. So as you can see here. So order ID first column, order ID second, dollar to second column. So under the third column we have loaded the profitable, like you can see minus 1, minus 12 orders. So under negative values it will get non-profitable. For positive values, it will get profitable. So thereby, client can easily do a modification, like he can apply a where condition on this column. Easily, he can segregate the data. Let me do it. Equal to profitable. Okay, I need to give in single quotes. So as you can see, he will segregate, he will retrieve out only the profitable values easily. So in this way we can do a transformation while loading. If you want to do a number of transformation, you can log into the Snowflake documentation and you can just see the supporting functions which use while copy commands. So you can see here array, subset, case which is used now. So casting which is convert the data types. So if not null, if all these integers. Okay, here you can also find the examples of different types of loadings. Like you can see they have also assigned the aliasing. So yeah, in the below section you will find a number of examples of different types. So we will go to the next example too. So yeah, let me replace. So I have created a table. So now customer wants to the only first four digits, four characters of the category column. So he don't want all the full name, like he want FURNIT, Fernie, like just four characters to he can easily recognize, which saves the data. So in that case, we will give a substring. So we will give substring as for the category substring we have used in fourth column s dot dollar 15 we have used the one which is it will starts from first character and ends in the fifth character, like in the I. So let us run and we will get a clear idea on that. Yeah, it's loaded completely. So let us do a select star. So as you can see in this column, we have loaded only first five characters. So FURNI. So in this way, we can do our desired ones. So coming to another, what if customer wants only two columns only? For one is order ID and subcategory ID, subcategory. So otherwise profit column. So what if you want only two columns? How while loading? So how can we do that? So here is an example. Let me replace. So here while copying into, we will exactly mention the names within itself. Like if we want the order ID, we will mention order ID. If we want profit, we will mention profit. So the first one is dollar one. Let me down this. Yeah. So the first one is dollar one, and the third one is dollar three. So the remaining will get loaded into as null values. Yeah, let me do a select star. Yeah, you can see if the client was only two columns, we can yes, we can give two columns only. Yeah. So the remaining values as loaded as null. Yeah, we will go to next example. So in this data, so customer did not want this B6, B4, B4 all values. He want like auto. He want like an uh, he want like the what do we call like the ranking wise, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. Every column he should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in this case, what we can do? So let's see that example. So let me replace. While creating the table, we just give the number, and we use the function like auto increment and start with one, increment by one. So it will start with one, two, increment by one means plus 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So all the remaining part same as we here. If he wants only the two columns, we mentioned only two columns here, amount and profit. So now let's see. Okay, let me replace it. Now it will load. Yeah, perfectly loaded 1500. Let me do a select star. Let me do only the select star, like we can see. as you can see, it was incremented by 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that only. We have inserted only two columns, and the non-inserted column will be populated as null. So what if I need to do transformation? We can use the uh, order ID of greater than 50. Where I want only greater than 50 means we can simply use this, and we can generate the columns which is greater than 50 order ID. So yeah, that's it in this video. In the next videos, we will segregate it into the parts of copy commands. Like this is the part one. So in the next video, we will discuss the errors which will occur in this copy commands. And next video, we will discuss about the file formats while using in the copy command. Okay? Yeah, that's it for this day. If you found this video useful, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Thank you so much for your time. Bye. Have a nice day.